Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the weather app and letting it access your location. This gives accurate local data. Once done, glance at the top to confirm the city name, and if it's not correct, tap the list icon to add or switch cities. Make sure to allow background refresh in settings if you want live updates. Now that your location and city list are set, you're ready to read the forecast details below. You look at the top for the current temperature, feels like value, and a quick weather icon. This tells you the immediate conditions. Then scroll to the hourly chart. It shows temps, precipitation chance as a percent, and the next several hours outlook, useful for planning trips. Also tap to expand or glance at wind speed, UV index, and humidity. These numbers explain why it feels warmer or colder. Once you've checked hourly, move on to the extended forecast below. You scan the daily forecast to see highs, lows, and concise summaries for the next several days. This helps plan outfits and activities. Next, tap the radar map to view precipitation patterns, pinch to zoom, and press play to animate movement so you can judge timing. If something looks off, make sure background app refresh and notifications are enabled, and restart the app. If radar won't load, toggle location services or switch Wi-Fi to cellular.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.